Detectives assigned to the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division have charged two municipal officials following the seizure of approximately 20.5 pounds of cocaine at Sangster International Airport last Friday. The accused are 40-year-old Trevon Clayton, the chief financial officer at the St. Anne Municipal Council, and 42-year-old Latoya Hemmings, the senior managing accountant at the Trelawney Municipal Council. According to a JCF press release, Hemmings was formally charged with possession of, dealing in, and attempting to export cocaine, conspiracy, possession of criminal property, while Clayton has been charged with possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine, attempting to export cocaine, as well as conspiracy. The police say additional charges are pending as Clayton remains under medical observation. Hemmings is scheduled to appear before the St. James Parish Court on Friday, January 23, while Clayton's court date is being finalized. Reports from the division are that Clayton and Hemmings, who are traveling together, checked in for a flight destined for New York. During a security screening, the two were accosted, searched, and packages of cocaine were found in their possession. A sum of cash in U.S. currency was also seized from Hemmings' handbag. Both were detained, and Clayton subsequently admitted to ingesting cocaine pellets. He was transported to hospital, where he remains under police guard after expelling 82 pellets of cocaine.